Choosing the right roofing contractor is everything when it comes to your roofing replacement. They will literally make or break your roof system, and with roofs being as expensive as they are, you don't want your roof system to be broken. You can trust credible sources like Angie's List or the Better Business Bureau to tell you what roofing contractors are good, but there are time-tested methods that you can apply to your local roofing contractors to get the best one suited just for you. Today, we're going to be going over those methods. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get started. Hire local companies. Supporting your local community is certainly important, but there are much more personal reasons why you want to choose a local roofing contractor. The big one is that they're going to be around to fix problems if they appear on your roof system. A fleet of trucks from out of state or a bigger roofing company might have a hard time getting to you, especially if they're out of state. A bigger company that services thousands of people each year is not going to get upset when there's one or two customers that are upset at their roof replacement. But a smaller roofing company that's local relies on their reputation to continue getting jobs, so you can guarantee that they're going to address each and every problem for every customer. Now, there are two tricks that a bigger roofing contractor will employ in order to appear as a local roofing company. The first one is simply buying a satellite office that they may not even have any people at, but it's simply to appear first in the search engine. The second one, which is also to appear first, is buying a P.O. box. In both of these situations, the actual base of operations that they'll drive their trucks from to your home may be dozens of miles away, which means it's going to be a lot harder to get roof repairs done and to fix any mistakes they make installing your roof system. Check if they're licensed, bonded, and insured. For being licensed, bonded, and insured, a license is the most simple one. In some states, a contractor simply needs a license in order to legally operate. If your state needs a license and they don't have one, don't use that contractor, period. A roofing company being bonded and insured is going to protect you in two major situations. The first situation is a roofing company installing your roof, then going out of business and not being around to fix your roof. And the second instance is the roofing company not honoring the contract that you signed. In both of these, you're going to be protected. Check for recent reviews. Now, lots of 5-star reviews on Google is great, but even the highest rated companies can be disreputable. The reason that a roofing company might be highly rated yet disreputable can vary. Sometimes, a company might be running strong, on good principles for decades, but they undergo a change in ownership, and suddenly they have a new business mindset and a new way they treat their customers. The other way may be that that company has a very highly efficient way that they gather reviews without them being genuine, such as offering discounts for roofing replacements if you leave a 5-star review. What you want to look for are reviews left in the last 3 months or so. Some of the key things to spot in those reviews are problems being promptly addressed without getting a lot of negative feedback, a good customer service experience, and of course, a roof that is not leaked. Now, even the best and most reputable of companies might get negative reviews, so what you're looking for is how they address those reviews. More specifically, if they address those reviews. A reputable roofing contractor is not going to let a customer have a bad experience without addressing it publicly. Ask the right questions. There are specific questions that you can ask and answers to look for that can quickly highlight a company's strengths or its weaknesses. To give some examples of questions to ask, you could ask, have you worked in my neighborhood before? Are you certified by the shingle manufacturer you use? Or what's your cleanup process after you install a roof? It may feel like you're being a bit pushy by asking all these questions, but roofing contractors that are reputable know their industry, and they know that you're right to be concerned, so they're going to happily address all these questions and take care of you. If you want a full list of 16 specific questions that you can ask a roofing contractor to see what they're made of, then you can click on the link below to go to Bill Reagan Roofing's website and download our free checklist of questions to ask a roofing contractor. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing, and thank you so much for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so we can help educate more homeowners like yourself, and I'll see you next time.